What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome back. I'm down here at the creek again today and just out wheeling. Gonna camp out again tonight. Hopefully my AC does better. Or stuck in a rut. So I have my AC again, my Cybertake S2000, whatever it is, S2 Pro. It did great for me last weekend or the weekend before. When last time I went camping, it did great. That was the first time I used it. The only thing is I didn't have it set up level and it didn't drain. So when I woke up, it was blowing water in my face. Not too big of a deal. I got a good night's rest from I turned it on at 9 o'clock and went to sleep. I stayed cold or comfortable throughout the night. I think it's fine. I think it's definitely worth having for me because it's hot here in southern Mississippi. It's humid here. Last time just all the filming I did, I don't even know why I did so much filming. I didn't use any of it, but I was worn out. I was so sweaty, and I cooked burgers, which I'm not doing tonight. Tonight is just something easy, dehydrated meal, or I'm gonna do. I've got homegrown tomatoes here in my county, so I may have a tomato sandwich or a tomato sandwich, which just consists of white bread, mayonnaise, and tomato and black pepper. That's true American stuff there. Other than that, I also brought some lunch meat, so I may just do like a ham sandwich or something like that. Just something that doesn't involve heat. My wife and I went to Mexican last night, and the little Mexican joint we go to, they have this outdoor area or outdoor seating, and we really like it, but man, it is and it's fine outside. It's in the shade, it's covered and everything, but and we were fine up until we got our hot food, and then once I ate, and I broke out in a sweat. It was wild. But we're not. I'm not cooking tonight. I may if I'm sweaty, I'm gonna end up taking a shower. I do have my portable shower, so that's what I did last time. I got really sweaty from all the filming and cooking burgers with the heat and everything. I ended up just like so drenched with sweat. So I took a hot shower, and that was wonderful. Oh my gosh. I had a nice shower and then climbed up in the tent, and that was great. Got a little bit more of a drive in here, so sit back and enjoy. out here at the creek. I just drove out. I was gonna camp tonight, but I've got a change of plans. I am about to head into town and see my wife and hang out with her instead of hanging out here by myself. I do have my AC and I want to test it out, but I don't think I'm going to do it today. I think I'll come back tomorrow and put it to the test. I know it's going to work just fine. I know my issue last time I was downhill and it was not level, so that was my number one issue. Today I'm having a tomato sandwich though. I'm going to have 2 tomato sandwiches. And the only way to have a tomato sandwich is mayonnaise and black pepper and white bread. I do have my thermocell on, and I think it is doing what it should do. Let me see. Is that? Yeah, I think that's on. All right, let's get our knife. I don't want to use my pocket knife. And these tomatoes are homegrown here in my local farm. Pretty excited about that. I've also got some watermelons. Ah, get out, minis. I'm not gonna worry with spreading it because I'm just gonna double it up. Ooh, I do need black pepper. Where is the black pepper? Okay, I'm gonna have just 1 sandwich, but it is gonna be proper. Black pepper. This will hold me over until I get to my old lady. It's the best. I love homegrown tomatoes. Nothing healthy except the tomato. That's so good. Oh my gosh, this is so good. That is wonderful. The gnats are pretty bad. Mosquitoes not bad, but I should have brought 2 tomatoes. I've got some old cheap lunch meat. I like it though. Reminds me of my childhood. I think I'm gonna do the corned beef. I think I will have. Nah, I think I just do mayonnaise. Sometimes I do mustard. Definitely did not want to fire up the grill. Well, it's something I could just. It wouldn't break me out in a sweat. Alright, Trail Trash, that is it for this video. Just a short video. I really came out here. I was going to camp tonight with the AC, and I think it would be great. But like I said, I'm going to go see my wife. I did bring my drone out. I got some good shots with it. I only crashed it once. That's my new drone. And I've got to get the protection plan on it right away. Other than that, man, just say I did do some more cutting on the FJ, and it made a difference. So I didn't rub coming through the creek today. Last time I rubbed on both sides in the rear, and I'm loaded down again, the same as I was, fully loaded, but no issues. Happy about that. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for joining along. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you got any questions, comments, or anything on the FJ, please drop them below. And until next time, stay trashy.